Learn the entire first chapter of Year 12 Chemistry in this one video. Part 2 because the video didn't fit, so we'll do it in more than one. Okay, so this is where we last left off. The last thing we were talking about was the electronic structure and how different it is between GCSE and A-levels. In calcium, let's say for GCSE, we do 2882. In A-levels, we don't say that anymore. We call it as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s2. So what do these letters even mean? In A-levels, we call shells as principal quantum number. So you can still say shells in the exam, but a lot of the questions that you may get asked will be in principal quantum number. So at least you'll be familiar with that wording. So with the principal quantum number, it's still the same. The first shell is quantum number 1, second shell quantum number 2, and so on. Inside those quantum numbers, you have what we call as subshells, and there's 4 of them, S, P, D, F. Okay, let's imagine now that we're walking through a hotel room. Imagine you're on the first floor, and in the first floor there is room 101. Second floor it has room 201, 202. Third floor it has 301, 302, 303. These floors are like your shells or your quantum numbers. So floor 1 is like shell 1 basically. Now in shell 1 it has room 1s. In shell 2 it has room 2s, 2p, just like your 201, 202. Floor 3, this is where it gets a bit funny. So when they were building the hotel, they made a mishap somewhere. There's an overlap between floor 3 and floor 4. So you have 301, 302, 401, and then 303. So in terms of like our SPDFs, we say that it has 3S, 3P, 4S, and then 3D. So there's a bit of an overlap there. Unfortunately, the builder kept making the same mistake. So when we went to the 4th floor, now it gets a bit funny because you have 4P, 5S, 4D, 5P, and then 4F, and then 5D. So there's a bit of a lot of overlaps there. So this is the order that it goes to. Now, just like a hotel room, different types of rooms can fit different amounts of people. Like a standard room would have 2 people, but a family room could have 4 people. That's the same with your subshells. Your subshells have different amounts of electrons that it can hold, and that's where the orbitals come in. So, at the bottom here, this is where we explain it. The S subshell has only 1 orbital, and each orbital can hold 2 electrons. The P subshell has 3 orbitals, so in total it can hold 2 times 3, which is 6 electrons. The d orbitals can hold 5 orbitals, each holding 2 electrons, so in total you have 10 electrons. F can hold 7 orbitals with 2 each, so it's 14. So we have shells, subshells, and then orbitals. Let's go into some examples.